Good morning. Howdy. Here we are today. I'm going to show a bakso goreng. This one is pork, okay? So as you can see, I'm using a ground pork from the store. It's about 1.5 pounds of ground pork, just from Walmart, and 12 ounces of their shrimp, raw shrimp. So I place them in a food processor and chop them fine, and that's it. And the rest is a sprinkle of pepper. We use white pepper. You can use black pepper, whatever you want. A little bit of green onions, okay? And then about 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, just to taste them, and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. That's all. The reason why I do not put sugar, although sugar will be really good in this kind of dish, is because we have to deep fry them for 20 minutes. Otherwise, they will go flat, okay? So in 20 minutes, if you put sugar, it will be brown. And again, this show is about the practicality of making things. It's not about how to make things. So this is the most practical way. And after this, we're going to place enough cornstarch or tapioca starch or sagu, whatever you have, as much as the meat itself. Yes, it's true. As much as the meat itself, and we're going to mix them all thoroughly and then round them and put them in the deep fryer, and that's all. And yes, the ratio is correct, 1:1. The mix and the starch is 1:1. All right, so my sous chef Justin is helping me right now, and hopefully it tastes really good today. Place a lot of oil, but no more than half of the container, because when they are overflow, then they can really go overflow over the frying pan. You do not want that to happen. So make sure that it's still more than a half space available. Here is my sous chef is demonstrating to you how to run them with 2 spoons. It's better when it's round so they can flip by itself in hot oil, okay? So just grab a bunch of meat and just keep on playing with your spoon, going outward, keep on doing that. It will be round by the 10 times you try this. And then it takes, a few times to practice, but you will be surprised on how easy it is. In the meantime, get the hot sauce ready. I just place in any kind of jar. Make sure the lid is tight. I place 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar, about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, or if you have fish sauce, better to replace salt with fish sauce. It tastes better. Like a tablespoon of sriracha hot sauce or any hot sauce you want, and a 1/4 water, 1/4 cups of water. That's it. Shake it and make it into your hot sauce for the deep fried bakso goreng meatballs, okay? And the taste is up to you. Some want it spicier, some want it sweeter, more vinegar. Oh, by the way, I forgot vinegar, okay? 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of vinegar. That's what makes the taste so fresh. And it's up to you, okay? If you want it sour, add more vinegar. If you want it spicier, add more hot sauce, etc., etc. All right. Okay, place them in the hot oil, medium heat. Once it's hot, one at a time. Be careful, it's hot oil. And make sure you put the timer for 20 minutes because it takes 20 minutes to fry them. As you guys have seen, the fried pork meatballs is turning around by itself, okay? And it looks like it's done, but frankly enough, this is only 7 minutes past, so you need to be strong and wait until 20 minutes. Otherwise, once it's cold, it will going flat. Alright, finally 20 minutes is over. Alright, as you can see, guys, it's beautiful. I'm going to take them out, turn off the alarm, and enjoy it. There you guys have it, bakso goreng my way. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.